Listen.
Rangarira.
We remember the dust, the bread queues, the candles, the laughter, money. Zimbabwe did not break us, they built us.
Rangarira, where the dusters go. They cut the lights, but never cut the glow. Rangarira kumusha, moyo wangu knows. From Harare nights to Bulawayo. Handika ngangwe, I still carry home. Tinova kure, but we still go.
Propi, Rangarira, Wari.
I left young, but the roots stayed proper. New postcode, same blood, same honor. Rain in the ends, still I smell dust when the sky turns brown after summer. Fam, I remember those calls from home. Auntie said, boy, do not lose your tone. Mum packed prayer with a sadza bag. Now I graft in the cold, never alone. Bare zeros on notes back then, but the love stayed full in the yard. No lights, no signal, no easy days, still home stayed, saved in my heart. They call it crisis when they write those pages. We call it life that raised us patient. From my one to stages, silence the statements. Now I put Zim in the cadence. Fam, proper.
Hey, Zimboy, Reload.
Rangarira home, where the dusters go. They cut the lights, but never cut the glow. Rangarira kumusha, moyo wangu knows. From Harare nights to Bulawayo. Handika ngangwe, I still carry home. Tinova kure, but we still grow.
Sure. I remember town in the morning, by the muzika, boxes offloading, combi rank loud, vendors calling. Life was heavy, jokes kept rolling. First street steps, Amora lights, school shoes dusty, mine still bright. I might said Mwana, Usakanganwa. I held that word through the hardest nights. Just a cut power, not our plans. Taps run dry, not our hands. We learn to carry, learn to borrow, learn that pain can still make stands. Harare is not only pressure and smoke, it is talent, hustle, prayer and hope. Street boys dreaming with pavement notes. Dust on the shoe, gold in the quotes. Sha, Harare, Wema, Handimare, Teacher Simuka.
Home is a song in the back of my mind. Home is a place I can never leave behind.
Yebo.
Ekaya, Asambe, Sibambene.
What you know about Biel sunsets? Slow road, deep soul, no rush yet. Kulomani dreams with a clean step. La Vev heart, we do not forget. My cobblestones told me stand still. Old rocks, new dreams, strong will. Kunzima, but a smile is real. Peace in the heart, that is big deal. How we want Mali with meaning, not just Spaining, we building. If I shine and my people shine, that is the soft life I am feeling. From city of kings to the world stage, same book, just a new page. Kuyavuta when the drum line drops, but the kaya stays in the rib cage.
Yebo, Abu, Sambe, Ekaya, Sibambene.
Rangarira home, where the dusters go. They cut the lights, but never cut the glow. Rangarira kumusha, moyo wangu knows. From Harare nights to Bulawayo. Handika ngangwe, I still carry home. Tinova kure, but we still grow.
Rangarira does not mean stay in the past. It means take what survived and make it last. Great Zimbabwe walls still whisper to us. Old stones telling young dreams, stand fast. Victoria falls in the chest when we rise. Kariba sunset still lives in the eyes. Mwenje fire in the spirit inside. A nation is more than the pain it survived. So when you speak of home, speak whole. Not just the wound, but the soul. Not just the loss, but the roll. Not just the dust, but the gold. Mwenje Tariro, Rangarira, Kumusha.